Hi, I'm Glenn from Voodoo Liner. I'd like to show you just how scary easy it is to apply Voodoo Liner. Firstly, all surfaces must be suitably prepared. Preparation of application surface. All surfaces must be clean, dry, and free of contamination. Once clean, your surface is now ready for preparation. Remove all built-up foreign matter by scraper or wire brush as needed. Scuff all surfaces with sandpaper, making sure all surfaces are sanded down to a dull, matte scratched surface. It is not necessary to sand surfaces down to bare metal. After sanding, clean down all surfaces with acetone and clean rags, ensuring all dust and white powders are completely removed from all surfaces. Important note: Voodoo Liner will not adhere to grease, oil, dust or any foreign residue left on the surface. Ensure no degreasers are used that may leave a film on the surface after cleaning. Apply masking tape to mask off all desired areas, ensuring good quality masking tape is used for nice clean lines when removing the tape. Apply masking paper over taped areas with at least 12 inches of masking. Apply drop sheets over remaining surfaces to protect from any accidental overspray. Important safety information. Even though Voodoo Liner is both environmentally and user-friendly, using suitable safety equipment is always recommended. It is recommended to apply a metal etch primer to any exposed metal areas created by sanding. Ensure all primed areas are touch dry before coating with Voodoo Liner. Before starting application, ensure all surfaces are again clean and free of dust. Application of Voodoo Liner. Ensure you shake packaging for at least 1 minute before opening. Unscrew lid from packaging. If using Voodoo Liner 1 litre cans, remove lid and pull to remove plastic seal. With sharp object or end of Voodoo Liner application gun tube, punch aluminium foil seal and insert tube. Gently screw Voodoo Liner application gun firmly on packaging. Set airflow pressure between 40 to 60 psi, ensuring your gun is about 12 inches away from the coating surface. Apply your first coat evenly and consistently to the surface. Allow first coat to become completely touch dry before applying additional coats. Depending on temperature and humidity, allow between 30 to 60 minutes before recoating. A minimum of 2 coats are required for light to medium use. For commercial use, apply minimum of 3 to 4 coats. Voodoo Liner can be applied to any thickness by applying multiple coats. Remember, each coat must be touch dry between applications. Please note, allow 72 hours for full curing. Leaving Voodoo Liner under direct sunlight once touch dry will enhance full curing. For additional information, visit our website, voodooliner.com. Don't forget to join the tribe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media. Voodoo Liner, scary easy DIY application.